Hello everyone. Hmm? How are you? Fine? Fine now? Okay. So, this is your maths backup class. Okay. Hmm. In this class, we will learn hmm, algebraic identities and then basic concepts of the inequalities, baby cum method, and then inequalities involving quadratic expressions. Okay. So, start with the algebraic identities. Okay. So, look at the board carefully. Okay. Algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. So tell me, a plus b into a plus b. We want to multiply these two expressions. Okay, so multiplied. How to multiply? Open a bracket and multiplied with the terms of the second bracket. Okay, so a multiplied by a plus b, and then plus b also multiplied by a plus b. Now multiply a into a. Okay, here here are some law of indices. Law of indices. Indices means power. Okay. Okay. If any non-zero number, you know what is non-zero number? No. Except zero. Real number except zero is a non-zero number. Okay. So non-zero number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Always 1. Okay. Now here a single number. So that has a 1 power. Okay. Now I can write it into this form also. So here 1 is the coefficient of a. Here 1 is the coefficient of a. Coefficient of a. And this is the index, and plural is the indices or power or exponent also. Okay. Now tell me, if look at the board, if number multiplied by number, same number, and here this a is called base. A is called base or variable now here base are same, and we want to multiply these two variables. Okay, so here power is 1 and here power is 1. In the product form, indexes are added. Okay, so a square. Now a into a into a into b into b. Here these are same base and these are another same base. So a to the power 1. Here suppose 2 power, here suppose 3, and here 4. Now we want to multiply it. So a 1 plus 2, 3 and 3, 6 into b to the power 5. Okay. Now you can't write it in this form. You can't write it in this form because here a and b are different base, so can't express in this form. Okay. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now multiplied a multiplied by a, a multiplied by a, you get a square because base are same. Now multiply a into b, ab, and here b into a, b, and plus b into b, b square. In the real numbers form, ab and ba are equal because 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 also 6. So this means ab and this means ba. Okay, so these are both expressions. So a square plus ab and ab, 2ab and plus b square. And now suppose this is one expression and this is second expression, and here a plus b whole to the power 1 and here a plus b whole to the power 1. अब now these are same base ना, so a plus b whole square, and we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, अब now move to the minus part. A minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, then you get a minus b whole square. अब here this part, here minus minus, also minus, here minus minus, and these are plus because minus minus plus. Up here, so this is the expression of a minus b whole square. Okay, now tell me we want to add a plus b whole square and plus a minus b whole square, and we want also a minus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now what will be the answer? Here a plus b whole square, so a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. अब we want to add these terms. Okay, so cancel. Okay, plus, so here 2a square and 2b square because b square 2 times ना. अब now 2 common, so a square, yeah, no, we want to solve this expression here na. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and add these terms and these expression, so you get 2a square plus 2b square, take 2 common and you get a square plus twice of a square plus b square. अब now, so what is the result of it? Tell me, twice of a square plus b square. अब now we want to okay, अब now we want to subtract it. When you subtract, then sign will be changed. Okay, so here is positive a square but for negative, and here positive and here negative. Up now cancel and 2ab 4ab, so 4ab is the correct answer. 4ab is the correct answer. Done na? Okay, अब now tell me what is the result of a square plus b square by 2? Now tell me, here a square plus b square, here a square plus b square both in common, where a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square as well as. Are you getting my points now? A square plus b square in common, both either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, but we want only a square plus b square, then negative of minus 2ab. And for this part, a minus b whole square and plus 2ab, because here हाँ बिल्कुल से okay, so here a minus b whole square plus 2ab. अब now here a square plus b square also involved now. So what is the final result for this part? So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square or upon 2. Okay, clear na? Okay, and now tell me, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, or also a minus b into a plus b. Yeah, so a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, tell me a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, so here split this a 4 है, so square of square, because here if a to the power m or whole to the power n, then multiply these powers, so a to the power mn. Okay, done. Now minus b square, suppose a square is a one expression, then a square minus b square, so what will be the answer? A plus b and a minus b. Now we also want to know a square minus b square. Further solve a square plus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, same for a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6, a to the power 8 minus b to the power n, यानी कि basically for the even powers. Okay, so these are the some results for related to the square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and if you add both expression, then you get twice of a square plus b square. If you subtract these expressions, then you get 4ab. Okay, so and now a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and also result a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square or upon 2. Okay, done na? Acha. Tell me one thing also. We want to express this part, a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, अब now okay, I don't know what is the formula of this. अब now so let suppose a plus b is equal to a and c also. अब now a plus c whole square, it means a square plus c square plus 2ac. अब now put the value of a, so a plus b whole square plus c square plus twice a plus b and c. अब now a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus c square, here 2ac and 2bc. So final result will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Also a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 common ab plus bc plus ca. So this is the final result. Okay, tell me what is the square of 3? What is the square of 3? 9. Okay, tell me minus 3 whole square. 9 or minus 9? 9. Okay, done. Okay, so square of a positive number also positive, and square of a negative number also positive. Tell me what is the square of 0? 0, and we also know 0 is a special integer. 0 is a special integer which is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so a final result, square of a number, square of a number कौन सा नंबर? रियल नंबर always non negative, okay, tell me non negative. Tell me non negative. Tell me non negative. Greater than 0 or equal to 0. So 0 plus positive numbers. Okay, 0 plus positive numbers. Okay, now a minus b minus c whole square, and we want to know a minus b minus c whole square. Here a square plus minus b square, because here minus b, here plus b. Okay, so minus b square also b square by the result of minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. Okay, are you getting my points now? Okay, here minus c also plus c. अब now here twice of ab, multiplication of both these numbers, so plus minus minus, so here you get minus ab, plus here minus minus plus, so plus bc, and now minus plus minus c. So this is the formula of a minus b minus c whole square. Okay, tell me what will be the formula of a minus b plus c whole square? Tell me. A square plus b square plus c square plus twice of minus ab minus bc plus cac. Okay, done. So this is the formula of a minus b plus c whole square. Okay, here is your homework. What? So homework will be homework for you. Replace a by x and b by 1 upon x. So this is your homework. It means you, when you are in home, then which will you do? Put a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 upon x, then you get x plus 1 upon x whole square. So you get the final result, x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, because a into b, here a into b is equal to 1, because these are reciprocal of each other, that's why x and x cancel. Okay, so this is your homework. Now here, so this is the expression of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Cuboid now. Okay, done. This is a cuboid. Now tell me, do you know a word dimension? Tell me, what is dimension? Okay, you are little close. So dimension is the simply measurement from faces. Okay, now in this room there are 3 dimensions. Which one? L, length, breadth and height. Okay, and for this surface of wood, 2 dimension, because length and breadth. Okay, so here are the 3 dimensions. Which one? L, B and H. So these are the dimensions. Okay, tell me, what is the formula for the volume? L into B into H. Okay, so B is equal to L into B into H. B for volume. Okay, tell me, curved surface area or LSA? LSA. Here is the LSA. LSA, lateral surface area. It means area of 4 walls. So twice L plus B into H. And tell me TSA, total surface area. Twice of LV BH, twice of LB plus BH plus H. Okay, diagonal, square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal means here. So from this corner, from this corner to this corner. Okay, this is the diagonal. Okay, done na? Now a question for you. Write it. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. It means TSA. Find the total surface area of a cuboid. Which diagonal is 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and sum of dimensions is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Sorry, 18 centimeter. Sum of diagonals, both sum of dimensions 18 centimeter. Sum of dimensions 18 centimeter. Sum of dimensions means L plus B plus H. Okay, done. What? 155. Okay. Sum of dimensions. Look at the word up now. Sum of dimensions L plus B plus H. Put here L plus B plus H. Then you get L square. L square plus B square plus H square plus twice of LB plus BH plus HL. This is nothing but TSA of cuboid. TSA of a cuboid. And here L square plus B square plus H square is the square of diagonal. So D square and sum of dimensions whole square is equal to D square plus TSA. ठीक है, for cuboid. For cuboid. So sum of dimensions is equal to 18. So 18 square. And square of diagonal 144. 144 now, because you get D is equal to under root of diagonal is बाहर 12 centimeter ना, और value of diagonal square root of L square plus B square plus H square 15. 13. Okay, so 13. Okay, अब now squaring on both side, so that you remove this square root part. So 13 square is equal to 169 and is equal to TS. Okay, 18 square 361 to 192 centimeter. Oh sorry, 18 square 324. मैंने समझा 19 square. Okay, so 18 square is equal to 324. So what will be the answer? 14 minus 9 5 and 11 6 5 and 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, 155. Okay, done. Okay, so 18 square 324. Okay, so this is the application of this formula is the application of this cuboid related to the cuboid also, but cuboid in the geometry and a plus b plus c whole square is equal to in algebra. So this is the connection between algebra and geometry. Okay, now tell me a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Okay, so a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, and now we want to the value of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, then a plus b whole cube minus of 3ab bracket a plus b. Done? Clear? Okay, take common a plus b, a plus b. So take common a plus b, and here you get a plus b whole square. It means a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here only minus 3ab. So conclude this part, minus ab. So you get in another bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Done? Okay, अब now a plus a minus b whole cube. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and bracket a minus b. A minus b. Done? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and minus minus plus 3ab square. Here a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube and plus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Done? Up take a minus b common. So a minus b, here a square plus b square minus 2ab, and here plus 3ab. So you get plus ab. Done? Done na? Okay, now tell me a plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube. And for here HW, replace a by x and b by 1 by x for both two quantities. Okay, for two variables, not in three variables. Okay, now a plus b plus c whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus thrice of a plus b, b plus c and c plus c. So this is the formula of a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, 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 and I hope you will not read this formula. No, you will not read this formula, no? Because a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, now for this part, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube minus thrice of a plus b, b plus c and c plus a. Okay, okay. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Here this is an expression in three variables a, b and c. Now we want to manipulate this. Okay, so First of all, multiplied it 2 and divided by 2. Okay. Now send this 2 in the bracket. So half, and here twice a square, twice b square, twice c square, minus 2ab, minus 2bc, minus 2ca. Are you getting? When you multiply it by 2, then you get twice of a square, twice b square, 2c square, and minus 2ab, minus 2bc, minus 2ca. अब now minus ab, minus 2ab, minus 2bc, minus 2a. So minus 2ab, minus 2bc, and minus 2ca. Okay. अब now 2a square, 2 times a square. So a square and a square. 2 times b square. So 2 times b square. 2 times b square. And here 2 times c square. Okay. Done. Done. Look at it carefully. So 2 times a square, 1 and 1 2. 2 times b square, b square, b square 2 times. And c square, c square, c square 2 times. And minus 2ab, minus 2bc, and minus 2ca. अब now done. Done. So अब now a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, and here a minus c or c minus a whole square. So half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a. So this is the formula for a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus c whole square. Done. Done. Okay. Here here a plus b plus c whole cube. अब now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the important formula. Okay. Now, so what is the formula? A plus b plus c. In another bracket, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Done. Done. Okay. Here a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c is equal to half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus c whole square. So then you get half of a plus b plus c, and in another bracket a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square and plus c minus a whole square. Done. अब now नीचे here a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus of twice of ab plus bc plus ca. Done na? Done. So a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. Move to this here. A square plus b square plus c square replaced by a plus b plus c whole square minus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. Up here, so again manipulate this a plus b plus c in another bracket, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, and in that formula a minus twice of ab plus bc plus ca, and here minus of ab plus bc plus ca, then minus 2 and minus 1 minus 3, so you get minus thrice of ab plus bc plus c. Then again repeat again, in a square plus b square plus c square minus twice of ab plus bc plus ca, here minus of ab plus bc plus ca, here 1 times, and in that formula 2 times, so 2 and plus 1 3. So minus of 3 times. So this is again a new addition formula. Okay. So aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square, c plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c, and half of a plus b plus c, and another bracket a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square, and another result a plus b plus c, and in another bracket a plus b plus c whole square minus of ab plus bc minus thrice of ab plus bc plus c. Done. Okay, tell me, if value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then this whole expression is equal to 0, and minus 3abc is equal to plus 3abc. So here is the result also. When a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc, and either this 0 or this 0 for the making 0. So here now this, if this becomes 0, then so if a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c is equal to 0, then also aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc, है ना. But for this becomes 0, then a is equal to b is equal to c, because look at this part. This is nothing but this expression. This is nothing but this expression. Na? Ab now this is a square, this is also a square, this is also a square, and square cannot be negative. Here square of a number non-negative. So and for becoming 0, then this 0, this 0, and this 0, and so you get here a minus b is equal to 0, then you get a is equal to b, and from here b is equal to c, and from here c is equal to a. So a is equal to b, b is equal to c, and c is equal to a. It means a is equal to b is equal to c. So here if this becomes 0, then you get a is equal to b is equal to c. Done. Okay, done. Okay, now so these are the basic identities. These are the basic identities related to the algebraic identities, and then you get and more power for the more power, a to the power 4, b to the power 4, a cube, b cube, 5 or 5 power 7, and so on. So okay, so this is not a big deal. Okay, tell me, we want to derive the formula a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. We want to derive the formula a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. What will be the steps which you follow? Tell me. A to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. Answer: a cube plus b cube multiplied by a square plus b square. Okay, multiply. For open a bracket and along with the second bracket. So a square plus b square and plus b cube and followed by another bracket. Ab now multiply. A cube into a square, a to the power 5, because in the same base power will be added. And here a cube b square, and here a square b cube, and for here b to the power 5. Okay, अब now a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. So a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5, and in this part a square b square common, a square b square common now. Now you get a plus b. So what will be the result for a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5? A cube plus b cube into a square plus b square, but minus of this part. So a square plus b square, a square b square, and multiplied a plus b. So this is the formula. This will be the formula for the a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. Now suppose here express into the replace a by x and b by 1 upon x. Now x to the power 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5. Here x cube plus 1 upon x cube. In this part x square plus 1 upon एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस, हाँ हियर ए स्क्वायर into b square 1, ab is equal to 1, then a square b square also 1, and here done na? Okay, up now tell me if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, no, is equal to p. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to p, then find x to the power 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5. I went to this answer in the expressible reduced form. Okay, done. Hmm. Okay, something like this. Okay, so okay, we know the formula of x to the power 5 plus b to the x to the power 5 plus 1 upon x to the power 5. Here this is formula. Okay, अब now सवाल, a question arise, what is the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, and what will be the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Okay, अब now we know x plus 1 upon x, and we want to know x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So p cube minus 3p, and x square plus 1 upon x square, p square minus 2. So these are the values of, so x cube plus 1 upon x cube, p cube minus 3p into p square minus 2 and minus p. Okay, so here p common, and also here, also from here, so you get p square minus 3 into p square minus 2 and minus, check, done na? Okay, x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole cube and minus the rise of x plus 1 upon x, so x cube x plus 1 upon x whole cube and minus of the rise of x plus 1 upon x. And what will be the answer of, what will be the expression of x square plus 1 upon x square, x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2, so x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. Okay, so this is your homework also. Replace by a with the x and b with the 1 upon x. Okay, done. Okay, done. So algebraic identity is done, and manipulate by self for the power 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, so this is your homework also. Okay, so manipulate these formulas. Okay, now okay, tell me which one is correct. Okay, now tell me which one is correct or which are correct. Third only, one is correct, third is correct, none of correct. Okay, not exactly correct. Okay, so okay, now move to the These are called inequality sign. Okay, inequality sign. Okay. So okay, sign of inequalities. Open this one. It means look at the word carefully. Hmm. Uh, Less than or greater than? No, according to the na. Less than. Yes. So we assumed the numbers and the expression will be in the left side. Okay. So this is less than. Also, it is called strictly less than. Okay. Here greater than. Okay. Good. Here less than and equal to. And here hmm, okay. And here not equal to. Okay. Okay. Now here less than and not and or less than or equal to greater than or equal to or means choice and both. Either this or this. Okay. So or is the choice. Now here both two statement arise. Huh? 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3 and both 2 is equal to 3. Or also in this case 5 is greater than 7 or 5 is equal to 7. Here and here also. Now 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Yes. And 2 is equal to 3. No. So either this or this, koi sa bhi. So this is a correct statement. Okay, either this or this because choices. So this is correct. Now here 5 is greater than 7. 5 is equal to 7. Both are incorrect. That's why it is incorrect. Here 3 is greater than 3. No sir. 3 is equal to 3. Yes sir. Now it is correct. Here 3 is less than 3. 2. No. 3 is equal to 2. No sir. Okay. So this is the correct way of reading this part. Less than or equal to. Okay. Or means choice and both include na. So or is union and intersection. So union sign is U type and intersection sign reverse U type. Okay. Done na? Done. So inequality less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. Okay. Done na? Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? No? Okay. So move to the another part. Now in the inequalities, so there are some values. X plus 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 1 and x minus 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. We want to solve this fraction part rational number type. Okay, so we want to follow these rational terms, rational polynomials also. So x plus 1 upon x plus 3. Now solve. Okay. Tell me, it is a basic question. Okay. Okay, this is the question for you. ठीक है, how much add in x to get 1? Tell me. How much add in x to get 1? This is the basic question. Huh? Huh? Minus 2x. Then you get minus x. But we want to get only 1. Minus x plus 1. Yes, this is the right. Okay, so answer is the minus x plus 1 or 1 minus x also. How to find? How to find this answer? How to find this answer? Why which method? Why which method you find this answer? No idea na? Yeah. So by transformation. By transformation. By transformation. And note disclaimer type. So transformation is valid only for equation. What is the disclaimer? Transformation is valid only for equation, not in inequalities. That's why we didn't transfer the terms in the inequalities. Okay, now so how much add in x? So what is the correct way of this solution? Suppose a add in this x and b you will get 1 and a, so 1 this part this action is called transformation. So okay, so this is the answer, 1 minus x. So why transformation? And this question also asked to me in the interview, in the B.Ed examination. He told ki, sir, tell me how much add in x to get 1. So my answer is 1 minus x. No sir, this is not a question. So what is your question? So tell me what method you used for finding this question, finding this answer. Then I told him by transformation. Yes, I want to listen this. So okay, so transformation is only valid for the equation, not in inequalities. Okay, so here are also equations because of inequality sign. अब now ठीक है. अब these are the equations and these are inequalities. Inequations. What is called inequations, and these in the LHS type equation. Okay, up now solve this part. Transform it because equation allowed transformation na. So x plus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to, and here tell me x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3 and you get 1 is equal to 3. This is not equal here na, because x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3, x and x cancel, 1 is equal to 3, which is not, so no solution. Okay, so here x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Now here x minus 3 minus x minus 1 is equal to, no, is equal to, okay. Now minus x plus x, 2x and 2, and you get x is equal to. So when you get no solution type, then you used phi. Phi is the empty set या null set. Okay, that's why we use phi. Now here Now here x plus 1 upon x plus 3 less than 0. So how to solve it? So when make sure in the RHS present 0 in the RHS. First of all, make sure. Now what is the root for this? Root means put this factor, put the factor is equal to 0 and get value of x or value of variable. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. And what is the root for this part? Minus 3. Okay, so denote on the number line. Okay, denote on the number line. So minus 3 and here minus 1. We want to less than 0. Less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. Less than 0 negative. Greater than 0 positive. Now not equal to 0, it means either less than or greater than. Okay, both cases. And equal to also. Not equal to 0. So not equal to 0 means not equal to 0. Okay, so less than 0 or greater than 0. Now so these are the roots of this linear factor. Linear factor where maximum degree is equal to 1. Okay, now less than 0 means negative area. Here equation gives us a root. Equation gives us root, but inequalities gives us reason. Reason part, shaded part, reason part. Reason is kshetra, area. Okay, now this called negative parts. Okay, so put the value of greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1. Suppose 0, put 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 3, 1 upon 3, positive number. So this can say, so it gives positive. Positive. Now think in this part. Take any number which middle in the minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 2. Okay, put minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2 plus 3. Minus plus 1. Plus 1. So 1 minus 1 minus 1. So this gives negative part. Because minus 1 na. Okay. Think and another part. Suppose minus 4. Now minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 and minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So minus minus cancel. So plus. That's why we use plus minus plus minus plus minus. You have already studied na this part. Okay. So plus minus plus. We want negative parts. So this is the reason. This is the reason. This is the reason. Think at these values. Here only negative, not equal to part. Put minus 3 here. Undefined. Undefined. Because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So upon 0 is undefined. Okay, put minus 1 0. So that's why we can't include the factor of denominator, because factor of denominator becomes the expression undefined. So that's why we exclude this part, and including part also numerator values. Okay, think at this part. Okay, so here whole and also because less than now. Okay, so what will be the answer? So x belongs to it means इसका reason है x belongs to minus 3 or minus. Okay, tell me why we use this bracket. Exclude the minus 3 minus 1. Okay, now here what is the reason behind it? Here tell me the natural numbers. 1 2 3. Okay, later I come at this part later. This is your number line. This is your number line. Minus infinity is a positive infinity, and here 0. 0 is a special integer which is neither positive nor negative, and here just less greater than 0 all values are positive, and in the left side all values are negative. Okay, okay now. Now here 1 2 3 and so on, and this side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. Tell me the which is a number just greater than 1. 1 positive. Okay, tell me what is the value of 1 positive? No. So 2. No. There are infinitely many values in the in both numbers, in the numbers which is situated on the number line. So disclaimer. There is no just less than or greater than. There is no number just less than or greater than a number. Number what? Number means real number. Number means real numbers. Okay, because this is called real number line. Real number line. My writing is good now. Okay, so this is real number line. Okay, tell me the classification of number, real number. So real number divided into two parts. Which parts? Tell me. Rational and irrational number. Okay, so rational number, irrational number. So there is no just less than or greater than the given number, from a given number, a given number any. Okay, now tell me. So tell me, what is the just greater than value 1? Can't say. Because if you say 1.00001, then I told you 1.00001, 0.000000001. These are the in the middle parts. Okay, so you can't write just less than or just greater than. But we can write for the integers value also. We can write the values for the integer, because after 1 greater integer 2, after 2 3, after 3 4. Okay, so it is valid only for integers value. Okay, now tell me natural number. Tell me natural number. Tell me natural number. 1 and then 2, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. There is no mid value. There is no any value between 1 and 2. Natural number 1 and just then 2, and just greater than 3, and just less greater than 4. So now look at listen to me. When there is no just less than or greater than value, infinitely many, then you use a braces. Okay, that's why we use this formula, this bracket, because this bracket shows discrete values. Okay, so this shows discrete values. Okay, now tell me whole number. 0 and just then 1 and just then 10. So which bracket is used? You use middle bracket, or that is called curly bracket or braces also. Okay, tell me what bracket you used for the integers. Same, because integers has no mid values or no any numbers between the given numbers. Okay, now tell me the rational number divided into the two parts, integers integers and non-integers. Non-integers means fraction and decimals. So non-integers divided into two parts. Which one? Fractions and decimals. Okay, these are the part of and natural number, whole number, integers. These parts are in the integers. Prime number, composite number, even number, odd number, so all are included in the integers. Now we want to write these parts into the bracket form here. So that's why we use this bracket and this bracket, and this bracket shows continuous values. CONTINUOUS, continuous values. That's why we used here this small bracket. This is the history behind it. Understood? Okay, so now so this shows continuous values. Now we want to write the real numbers. Okay, real number. we want to the real number in the bracket form. Tell me, this is a real number line. So minus infinity to plus infinity, continuous values. So minus infinity to plus infinity, and infinity takes always a small bracket. Okay. Now tell me non-negative values. Non-negative values. What will be the set? Non-negative. Non-negative. 0 plus positive numbers. 0 plus positive numbers. Nikki, from here to till infinity. Why are you making noise? Here 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity. अब 0 is included now. 0 to. So that's why we used close bracket for 0. Okay. अब now we want to add अब non-positive. 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 Minus infinity, negative values and 0. So 0 plus negative values. So how to write it? Minus infinity to 0, because they by the according to the number line. So minus infinity this side now. So this side to 0. So this side to 0. And for the non-negative, 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Okay. Okay. Done now. So this is the basic explanation of related to the inequalities and set also. So discrete values, and this is also called the discrete set. Discrete set, because set is the collection of distinct elements. Okay. So this is also called discrete set, and this is called continuous sets. So in the continuous values we used open bracket or close bracket, but in the discrete values we use braces or curly bracket. Then okay, सही बताओ. Done ना? Okay. So algebraic entities done, and basic concept of inequalities done. In the next class we will learn Babika method and inequalities involving quadratic expression. These are our next goals. These are our next goals, and these are today's goal. Done. So here identities, and repeat also. Repeat and replace homework also. Replace x y, a y x, and b y 1 y x. And here some important parts. Important parts. Recall again. Sign of inequalities, and this part also, or for union and for intersection. Okay. So this is part also. We can't transform in the inequalities. These examples which discuss later. Okay. In the next class. Okay. In the next class. So there is no just less than or greater than number. Discrete values and so. Okay. So this is your session. How was the session? Good, too good, superb, excellent, and okay, give me the feedback. And have you any doubt related to the session? No. And also make the notes for this session. How to write it? Math backup classes, and then make the notes. Okay. And done. Done. Any doubt? No. Pakka. Sure. Done. Okay. Here. Okay. So thanks for taking this session. See you soon.